bread and tomato salad. But the idea is to use up old bread, but we're going to use a lovely bit of crusty bread. But the dressing is really important because the dressing is the thing that makes the bread wet.
And delicious and tomato-tastic.
So you need to chop that bread up into nice little chunks.
Okay.
And I'm going to take these tomatoes and cut those.
And we want the crust. We want all of this bread, don't we?
Yeah, you've got to use everything. And they're going into this bowl here.
Yeah.
There. That lovely big bowl there. Then what I do is I squeeze the tomatoes like you squeeze a lemon. And you take all the juice out of it.
And I'm pleased that you leave the seeds. I want to eat the seeds.
Oh, you've got to eat everything,
and
yeah.
lots of chefs take out the seeds from tomatoes, and I'm like, I love them.
But the tomato juice and all these seeds and the water is the basis of my dressing. So it's about half a loaf of bread.
Yep.
And then you need to take that red onion that's on there, and that needs to be sliced into bits. But the dressing itself, you've got all that lovely juice from the tomatoes, and now it's olive oil. And then I use 2 types of vinegar. Sweet vinegar, like sherry vinegar or even balsamic, and then red wine vinegar for a bit more acidity. So it's about 50 or 60 mils of red wine vinegar and about 60 mils of something like sherry vinegar.
Okay.
Sherry vinegar is really sweet. You use pomegranate molasses sometimes if you want a bit of sharpness. But the liquid is what we want. The liquid is for the bread, so the bread soaks up all that liquid. And then some olive oil. About 60 or 70 mils of olive oil.
So it's a big dressing, isn't it? It's a lot of oil in there.
Well, it seems like a big dressing, but actually, as I say, the bread's going to soak it up.
Yeah.
Salt, just a bit of salt. And then whisk the whole lot together with the mixture. And you've got this sort of almost the same colour as our Bloody Mary. Pour that dressing over the top of the bread. And it looks like there's way too much. It looks like it's too watery, but it will take the whole lot. It will take it all up. Give it a nice little stir around. And at this stage, you want to put some garlic in, you can. Any other flavourings you want to put in. But give it a bit of time, because in the bottom of there, there's still some juice.
Yeah.
But that juice will be taken up. So let it sit on the bottom of the bowl. There. And I'm going to get some basil leaves.
Okay.
Hello, basil.
Love fresh basil.
And now it's a matter of just putting things together. So now into there, the anchovies and the capers. Capers, as you know, come in their own little sort of seasoning. They come in brine.
Yeah, so use that.
Yeah, a little bit of it, not too much. And just scooch it in with a little bit. And again, it's just cover. It's up.
Love them.
Anchovies. So what you're really doing is sort of almost making 2 salads to become one.
Yeah.
It's
like a Spice Girl.
Like a Spice Girls song, that's it. When 2 become 1. Like us. Oh, that made me feel a bit ill, that did. Right. Right.
You said it.
I know, it's so schmaltzy. Mix this with a fork or something similar so it all squashes up. And then this mixture here,
look at
stir
that.
it, it's taken up all that juice.
Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it. It's incredible, that basil. And that oil and vinegar is delicious.
And then in you go. But look at those colours.
It is its own little thing of beauty. There we go.